Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit diagrams. So as you can see, I have your blank page. Now you're going to click the elements on the corner and then we're going to edit some diagrams, how to change the colors. So I'm actually planning to make like 5 of these, but then there's only like 4 as you can see. And now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to change them with gold colors so that the text that we will put is black, and if you combine black with the dark colors, of course it will not be visible. That's why I'm trying to change the color to lighter ones, and of course you're going to help me with that. Gold and orange, I don't think so. Let's change another color. So there's like 4 colors above, and then you can just choose what type of color, and if you don't like the color you can undo it. As you can see, there's like 2 arrows above near the word editing. You can choose to undo or redo. Undo, it means you, yeah, undo and redo. That's it. All right, or else you can click control Z, control plus Z, and then it will undo what you've done. So as you can see, I already changed the, okay, now what I'm trying to do here is I click duplicate or control D so I can have another set of the diagram, because I'm planning to make like 5 boxes and there's only like 4, so I have to take an initiative to make sure that there will be 5 boxes. So right now I'm trying to look for better options, which one is nicer and better. Still don't, okay, it still doesn't look good. You can actually, okay, so with that part right there, you can actually, there's you can, if you want to, if you will click the word position, it's either you can move backward or forward the diagram. So example, if you don't want the diagram to be covered by the other diagrams, then you can move it forward. If you want it to be backward, then you can move it backward. So you can just click the position, and as you can see, I'm trying to pick the right colors for each of them. Alright, now let's try this gold color, and then, okay, so there's also other ways. If you want to change color right away, you're just going to click the color, and then you're going to click your desired color that you want, and then after that you can click changes all, and it will change all the color that is under that color. I hope it makes sense. Alright, now next is that, okay, now I'm kind of getting to my point now. It looks clean now, but I'm not yet satisfied with the color. Now I'm choosing light colors. It's because I'm going to make a presentation. It will be printed on a paper, and I want it to be clear. The words that I'll be using, or the font that I'll be using, is Times New Roman with a color block font, so I have to make sure that it is visible and readable. That's why I'm choosing light colors like yellow and yellow green as background. Now, in order for me to put a text, you just click the text right corner and then add text box, and then it will lead you to this part right here. Now I'm trying to align them. Okay, now there is one way actually so that the text will not move. You're just going to click or control A, and then you group them. Okay, choosing font to 12, or you can also, yeah, just click all of them. You're going to, I'm not actually using a mouse, but I'm using my pad in my laptop. So what I do is that I select all of them. After I select all of them, I then choose the word group, so that they will, the diagram as well as the text will not move and it will not be chaotic. So as you can see, I'm actually trying to fit in the diagram into the margin because I need to put an allowance. So every time we make like scrapbooks or other things, we have to make sure we put an allowances so that when we transfer or resize them to another file, there's always like a big allowance and we don't need to adjust multiple times. So as you can see, I click the text and it's either control D or you can click the word with duplicate near, okay, it's beside the lock icon or symbol, so you can click duplicate and then there you go. Now here we go, duplicate again and then move. So as you can see, the arrows are like the timeline, another duplicate and then duplicate, okay. All right, duplicate and then there we go. Now you can already change the dates to your desired dates for timeline, like December 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay. Alright. So it's actually very easy, guys, and I recommend in this part we should always use like bold, dark colors when we're using in diagrams so that they are visible. Now, the next problem that I encounter here is that the boxes, they're so small for me and I wanted to insert a larger amount of text, so it's kind of difficult. That's why I'm trying to look for another suggestions on how to do it actually. Okay, as you can see, if I did not put the bold letters, just a single letter, it will actually, it's chaotic, it doesn't look clean. And in editing for diagrams, we want it to be clean as possible and polished, professional looking. Alright, now you add text box because I'm planning to add text box on each boxes, but then unfortunately there's so, okay, so they're so small, and if things happen like that, like there's a sudden big green and don't there's a sudden big green in your screen, don't panic, just control Z and it will be undone, or you can click on the corner, the left, the arrow facing on the left. I think that's all for now, and I'll be continuing this video on my next video. Thank you so much for watching and taking your time. Have a great day, everyone.